Welcome to Okuma. My name is Jakob Simon and I work as automation specialist at Okuma. Today I'm excited to present a highly flexible and fully automated turning solution. The Okuma LB3000 EX III combined with the Xcelerate 20 automation system. The LB3000 EX III is our high-performance single turret lathe engineered for accuracy, flexibility and maximum productivity. With its powerful spindle, highly rigid construction and exceptional thermal stability, it delivers outstanding turning and milling performance in a single setup. From simple parts to more complex geometries, the LB3000 covers a wide range of applications, making it a perfect fit for modern manufacturing. Paired with the Xcelerate 20 automation, the system becomes a fully automated production cell built for maximum flexibility and efficiency. The automation offers intelligent part loading and unloading with gripper system and a storage layout that can handle a wide mix of workpieces. Whether you manufacture small batches or run continuous production, the system adapts seamlessly to your workflow. This combination provides to you highly precise turning and milling operations on the LB3000, fully unattended operation thanks to the modular automation, quick changeovers for different parts and batch sizes, and increased productivity with minimal operator involvement, and a compact, future-proof solution for growing production demands. In summary, the Okuma LB3000 with Xcelerate 20 automation offers precision, flexibility and efficiency. A smart, sustainable investment for manufacturers who want to boost their output without compromising on accuracy. If you want to learn more about our outstanding solutions, contact us via info-oeg@okuma.eu.